Welcome to Reflective Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to look at this product, Delta. Here are the color variants and we are going to show you how to make best use of it. This design is made out of clusters of foam and it's up to you to decide how you want to use it. Separate it like that, like that, like that, or even like that. And for this example, we are going to cut it this way. So because we're working on a bicycle, we're trying to keep things symmetrical. So if I use this bit for the left, I'll keep the other one for the right hand side. When you're working on a bicycle frame, try to spread your stickers on the main tubes. The front fork is always a good start for placing your design and it will give you the style you're going to create. Follow all around the frame for maximum visibility. For this helmet, I chose the asymmetric approach, and you can't go wrong when you place your stickers along the edge of the helmet. I used 2 sets for the bicycle and 1 set for the helmet. Make sure when you put reflective stickers on your object that you stick something for the back, for the front and for the side to make sure you're visible from every angle. We're building our YouTube channel right now, so if there's anything you want to see or learn, just let us know. And we put some links around here of things that you might like.